Guys, it has come to the point where we've actually reached 5 subscribers. I can't believe it, but like,
what has YouTube sent us?
They've been very generous, you know. That's in all these 3 weeks. All these 3 weeks, like, oh, such a journey, you know. And they gave us something really special. Would you like to point the camera?
Wait.
Hey guys, this is the most special thing for me that there is right now. Okay, like I don't know what else. Like, it's like the best gift ever. I mean, like, my mom would be so proud. Like, I was in this to my mom.
Let's take a look at that.
To my brother, to my sister, to all my family, my dad, everybody. I'm just so proud, you know. And I'm happy that the person that has come through this journey with me has been you. I just want you to like thank you guys. Like, it's been like such a journey, you know. Like, I'm like